My name is Diana Trujillo, and my species is the Octopus Vulgaris, so these are some pictures of it. The Octopus Vulgaris is in the kingdom Animalia, the family Octopodidae, the genus Octopus, and the species Octopus Vulgaris. This is a kingdom cladogram. So as you can see, it's in the kingdom Animalia because it eats with the mouth. It's multicellular, it has a nucleus and a cell membrane. This is a phylum tree. It's in the phylum Mollusca, which is closer to Annelida. And as you can see, it's multicellular, it has radial symmetry, and it has bilateral symmetry, making it part of the mollusca. Some of the close relatives to it are squid, cuttlefish, chambered nautiluses, all which belong to cephalopods, which is a mollusk group. And here's some images of those. So this is a food web. The Octopus vulgaris eats small fish, squid, crab, and shrimp, and it is eaten by sharks, seals, large fish, and more. These are some of the adaptations of the Octopus vulgaris. So for the reproductive system, it does have a hollowed out groove for the sac to fit, and so that it can deposit sperm into the female's oviduct. In the digestive system, to actually access the prey, they pull the prey's shell apart with the suckers, bite the shell using their beak, or drill through the prey's shell. And if it drills through the shell, it can actually release some toxins that will paralyze the prey. Another cool kind of adaptation that it has is its ink sac, which is used as an escape mechanism or defense mechanism to distract predators. When it comes to thermal regulation, there isn't a lot of it because it's exothermic, which means it depends on its habitat for its temperature. So if it needs to get warmer, it'll have to go to a warmer temperature area. Another cool adaptation is the camouflage color change. So its color will indicate it can warn predators. So if it turns red, it might be ready to attack or something like that. And the global distribution, as you can see, it's mostly on the coast, Mediterranean and Eastern Atlantic coast. The habitat, it's worldwide, it's diverse, mostly in the Mediterranean and the Eastern Atlantic, and they live on shores or in the deep ocean up to 200 meters. They really like temperate and tropical waters areas. This is a picture of the ink sac. So for the fossils, they're a little bit rare because they are soft-bodied and they don't have bones. There's one known from Illinois, one from France, several from Lebanon, and a couple of jaw fragments from Japan and Vancouver Island. So if you look at this is a picture of one of the fossils. As you can see, it's not very defined because it doesn't have any bones, but you can definitely see the shape, and if you compare it side by side to an image of, like a diagram of the Octopus vulgaris, you can see that it's very obviously that fossil. And the fossils that we actually have date back to 95 million years ago. Some cool eye catchers about the Octopus vulgaris. It can lose an arm to escape a predator's grasp, and it can just regrow it later without any permanent damage. And they can even learn to solve problems such as how to open a screwed top jar. And then this is my bibliography here where I found everything.